Give reason. When the temperature falls, the intermolecular space decreases because this is question D of bit number 1, because the kinetic energy of the molecules decreases. Because the kinetic energy Ke of the molecules decreases, and their speed becomes less. Their speed becomes less. Clear? Water forms water droplets because, yes, because when water comes in contact of cold surface, or its temperature falls, the cold surface, its temperature falls, and it condenses to water droplet. Clear? Because when water comes in, water you can add here, water comes in contact, sorry, water not, water vapor comes in contact of a cold surface, its temperature falls and condenses to water droplets. Brownian motion is not observed in solids. Solid molecules have a strong intermolecular force. Force of attraction. So they do not free, so they do not move in Brownian movement. In Brownian motion or movement, anything you can write. Answer: evaporation takes place only at the surface. Anybody can answer this? Please answer. Huh? You'll show. What you'll show? Huh? I'm not getting you. Some voice distortion. Huh? 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 Hmm. Hmm. No, my dear, this is not the answer. Please write down. Okay. Evaporation takes place at the only at the surface, because on the on the open surface on the surface of any liquid comes in contact of source of energy and when they able to overcome the force of attraction of inner liquid molecules, the surface molecules, then the surface molecules evaporate. On the surface of any liquid, the molecules come in contact of source of the energy. It may be heat, it may be wind, or any form of energy. They comes in contact, and when their source of energy, when they are able to overcome the force of attraction of the inner molecules, top surface inner liquid molecules, then the surface molecule starts evaporating or it evaporates. Clear? That's why it takes place only in the surface. Clear? Over. Okay. Next, shall I erase from the top? Okay. Now D number 6, I think. Yes. When a gas is cooled, the kinetic energy of the molecules goes on decreasing. At a certain point, at a certain temperature, these molecules, yes,